Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Miyun. The main content of today's video is to introduce YOCON's water system to you all. As we all know, water is the source of life. Especially in the field of life sciences, water is extensively used. It is heavily utilized in pharmaceutical production and reagent manufacturing processes. Therefore, the water standards are also important. For a pharmaceutical enterprise applying for GMP certification, the cleanliness level of its production facilities and the standards of its pharmaceutical water are two key items that will be thoroughly inspected during the GMP certification process. This demonstrates that the level of water treatment technology often indirectly represents the production level of the enterprise. YOCON Biotech's water system at its Miyun RUD base is provided by Chutian Huatan, the largest supplier of pharmaceutical water systems in China, which is the same as the water systems of many well-known large pharmaceutical enterprises in China. I personally call it Pharmaceutical Enterprise's Choice. Professionally certified. The entire water system primarily comprises three parts. The first part is the process water system, covering the preparation, storage, and distribution of purified water and water for injection. The second part is the process technology system, primarily the liquid dispensing system and related ancillary equipment. The third part is the environmental protection engineering system, including sewage treatment, waste heat recovery, and other components. Now, let me guide you through the detailed composition of the entire water system. Look, this is the purified water preparation equipment. With a production capacity of approximately 6 cubic meters per hour, the main unit employs a double-stage reverse osmosis and electrodeionization module, allowing for overall pasteurization. The purified water produced by this water treatment equipment is then transported through closed pipelines to a primary storage tank for storage. The canned purified water then passes through a distribution module, with one portion used for daily purified water supply in labs, such as for preparing experimental solutions, dissolving reagents, diluting samples, rinsing laboratory utensils. The other portion is allocated to a secondary storage tank, transported to a steam generator for steam generation, and used in the production of water for injection. Meanwhile, a pure steam sampler is installed next to the steam generator, taking samples for testing after the steam cools down, facilitating water quality monitoring. Next, please look at this machine. It's the water machine for producing water for injection. The produced water for injection is transported through the pipeline network to a primary storage tank for temporary storage. It is then distributed through the water for injection distribution module. After the batch cooling process in the pipeline network, the temperature is controlled within an appropriate range, and it is transported to the liquid dispensing system on the third floor for the preparation of culture media. What you see next is the sewage treatment equipment room. Behind us, you can see two large tanks. During the production of purified water and water for injection, the wastewater generated is piped into the first tank, where it undergoes initial sedimentation. It is then transferred to the second tank, and pumped to the secondary sewage treatment module for further processing, generating environmentally friendly recycled water, ensuring absolute environmental safety. That concludes our comprehensive introduction to the entire water system at YOCON Biotech's Miyun RUD base. From this, we can see that the entire water system is compactly laid out, adopting a modular and fully enclosed construction method, achieving sterilization and integration in the production process. This concludes our video introduction. YOCON will continue to contribute to the health of our nation with high standards and strict requirements.